Okay, moving on from variables, I've just created another file called for loops. Now, a for loop is a good way of iterating through data sets until a condition is met. In this instance, we're going to set a variable and our condition will be 15. And we'll set up our for loop. Now, the variable I've signed here is I, which stands for iteration. And I'll set that as 0. You can set that as any number you'd like. So I then is less than or equal to our number, I plus plus, that just means I'll iterate through. And let's echo, so print on the screen, number, iteration number, and I'll put what's called a break tag in so we can see the result on a new line. So upload that. There we go.